Hello everybody and welcome to this channel. We just bought this boat. It's a 1978 Cruiser, Dutch made, 12 meters long, 3.5 meters wide. It's a steel boat. And that's pretty much all I can tell you at this point. The plan is to, over the next months, to restore it and to document the whole process. This will be my first project of this kind. I've never restored a boat before, so it's going to be interesting. Now I'm just going to show you briefly a little the condition of the boat here from the outside. You can see there's something that looks like a hole, but it's actually just all the previous coats coming off. You can see it had a bunch of different coats, so the plan is to remove all of that completely and paint it new. And other than that, it's actually in very good shape. Alright, let's go inside and I will show you the inside. Here we are, climbing up the boat. It has a nice outdoors area. Flying bridge. All the controls you need to steer the ship from the outside. On the inside. Yeah. Sorry, I didn't clean up. So this is the bridge, or whatever you call this room. It's nice and spacious. Let's have a look here at the gauges. It's a little bit rusty, but the seller told me that everything is in working condition, so I'm looking forward to testing that. Now let's go downstairs. Also nice and spacious. We have 2 burners and a sink, fridge, little toilet. I might remove the toilet, put it in the rear. We'll see how things go along the way. Now let's go into the rear area. Yeah, here you can see the condition is a bit worse than on the other side. Actually, down here we have quite a bit of goo accumulated in the bottom. My guess is that's mostly oil from the motor mixed with rainwater. I think it's raining inside a bit here from these rear windows. It's a bit rusty. This is the rear cabin. This is going to be turned into our master bedroom. Floor, everything here is going to come out. We'll probably end up redoing everything here. There we're going to have probably shower, toilet. Let's see what else. Probably not going to leave that sink there. Probably gonna use the tubing and move it over to here to have the main head. Alright, next up, let's go have a look at the engine room. For that we're gonna go down here. So it's a Perkins, 87 horsepower. And that's pretty much all I know at this point. The engine room is quite spacious. You got your fuel, water tank. The previous owner did a lot of things, redid a lot of things, changed a lot of things to new ones. So I can't wait to discover all of that. Also all of the things he did not do. See here on the bottom, there's also some I don't know what that is, but that's probably going to be one of the first things I'm going to do, is to clean out the engine bay, repaint it, and then take it from there. Right now I'm just gonna show you the front from the top of the boat. Yes, and that's it. Here we got a anchor motor, anchor chain, yes. Alright, that's it for a little tour today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next part of this journey.